Okay, we're back. Of course, the case we split, and I cleaned it up, cleaned up the mating surfaces, and I replaced this bearing. Had a click in it. So, so that's been done. I just took a heat gun. I heated that area, just the area right around that, to 240 degrees. I used this little trick, and I turned it over. I put a nickel on top of it. I put a pipe on top of the nickel and whacked it, and it came straight out. And while it was hot, I warmed it up just I don't know, a minute, and put the bearing on top of it and pushed it in with my thumb. That's all it required. So we are ready to go the next step, and I forgot to clean this off. So I cleaned up the crank, and I oiled the bearings on it, and I cleaned the screws because you know, prep work is part of this, and there's still some stuff in the threads. I don't have, and I'm going to get one. I need a wire wheel for my Dremel, because cleaning up a screw, it would it'd do great. So I'm just going to put in new screws, and I have prepared the gasket with Halimar blue. And why I use Halimar blue is that the gasket is awesome. I've never had any trouble with Farmertech gaskets, but I want them treated to protect the gasket over the years against, you know, gas and oil. And Rolls-Royce invented that stuff. It's awesome. So I've got that coated, you know, completely on both sides. So the gasket is ready to use. Now, I mentioned the pins, and the pins are were removed, and I saved them, you know, because I knew that one day something might happen. So we'll put those in place right there. And so we'll go on to the next step. Excuse me. I think I've covered everything I wanted to tell you. I've got my seals ready. Well, wait. I'll hum a tune for you. I got a feeling spring's almost here. Last year went straight into summer. I hope it's different. What side am I going to put down? Quick. What stub goes down? Shorty. Hot as a firecracker. one on there like all I had to do was set it on there. It's nice and hot. I don't know. I packed the one side of the bearing with grease. It's too hot for me to touch. Oh, I've got it on one side. While it's hot, I'd like to finish putting it together. So we've got we got 6. Dang, I can't hold on to nothing. All right. Now, I wasn't prepared. Shame on me. I'm going to get them started. And then I think I've got to find a 1/4 inch socket. This is the setup I use to tighten it. You can get a lot more torque on it. Okay, they're all snug now. I can start tightening them. See, it's set down on there almost all the way. I don't know, but this doesn't work as well as that. I guess it's the leverage you're able to exert on it. I don't know. Okay, that's all 6 of them. And we need to punch out those pins. I don't remember what I drove it out with. So anyway, you get the idea on that. Okay. Onward.